In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project in Clockify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new project, fine-tune its settings, add organized tasks, and start tracking your time against it with confidence. First, head over to the Clockify website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the project section. This is your central hub for organizing work by client, initiative, or outcome, and it's where new projects live. To create a project, select the option to create a new project. Give it a clear, descriptive name. Something like Client A, YouTube Editing works well because it immediately communicates who the project is for and what it's about. Keep your naming consistent across your workspace so everything is easy to find later. When you're satisfied with the name, confirm by creating the project. You'll see it appear in your project list, which means you're ready to customize it. Next, tailor the project to your workflow. Assign a client if you want your reports grouped by customer. This becomes especially helpful when you run invoices or analyze time by client. Choose a color to make the project stand out visually across the app. A quick glance at the timer or reports will then be more intuitive. If you bill for your time, set a billable rate so any tracked hours under this project calculate value automatically. You can also decide on visibility. Make it public for broader team access or private if only certain members should see it. These settings help keep your workspace tidy and aligned with how your team collaborates. Now add structure with tasks. Open your project, select Add Task, and enter the specific activities you want to track, like editing, posting, and research. Short, action-oriented task names make time entries consistent and reporting clearer. Think of tasks as buckets that break the project into meaningful parts, so you can later see exactly where effort went. When you're ready to track time, go to the timer. Select your project from the list, choose a task if you created one, and start the timer. From this point on, all time you log will be recorded under that project, keeping your work organized and ready for accurate summaries and reports. If you pause or stop, your entry stays associated with the same project, which makes reviewing your day simple. That's it. Your project is created, customized, organized with tasks, and ready for precise time tracking in Clockify.